What you got here?
Here we go. Interceptor.
All right, we check
6S.
everything.
Man, nothing looks.
6 up, down.
I
Left,
think
right. All right, ready? I'm gonna give it a little throttle.
it's going the right way.
Bastard. Lifted out of my hand.
Yeah, I think it looks good, man.
Oh yeah, it should just take off right out of your hands.
All right, ready?
All right, you ready? Yeah. Oh, dude.
Easy.
Dude, hardly any throttle. Need any trim? Give me right aileron. Okay. Boy, it's easy to see.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Just a couple clicks. Okay.
Timer start. Timer stop.
A little bit up and a couple more clicks right.
Interceptor.
Oh, now left. That's good. I'll just leave it there. Couple clicks up. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna get it low and try a high speeder, see what it does.
All right.
Boy, that thing flies so nice. Shoot it.
I know.
Out
It's,
of my hand, like.
Timer start. Timer stop.
Climb a little bit under
It does.
power.
It does climb under power. Yeah.
Timer stop.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's not as fast as yours, Marston.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah, I think it's because of those three-blade props.
oh, yeah.
Very
brother.
well could be. I don't think the three blades give those motors much justice.
No.
Flies awesome though, huh?
I
Yeah,
know.
it really does.
I mean, they're so solid. They're just rock solid.
I know. They're freaking.
I just love the way they rip out of your hand, man. They don't torque. They don't, you know. They just fucking fly good.
It just grooves, dude.
Dude, they groove. Wherever you point it, it goes, man. They don't. I love the way they fly.
Timer stop.
Let's try landing it.
Timer stop.
Okay.
Timer stop.
See the smoke come off of it when it hit the.
Did it?
It looked like it smoked when it fucking landed on the runway. Did it break the prop?
No.
Wow,
Sweet. But I tell you, dude, those fucking
Those big skids were
those
fucking
big ass
good,
seals, big ass
man.
skids I put on there.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Dude.
Look at them big skids.
Dude, it barely even scuffed up the edge of the prop, so I'm gonna have to put some two-bladers on there.
Dude,
Yeah.
I think it'll haul balls with
Dude.
2 blades.
Yeah.
Didn't even crack it.
I like how it looks.
Yeah,
The
dude,
sun-
it looks good.
Like clear.
Right on.
Yeah, there you go.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I just love
Sweet.
the way they